Hi everyone, I am Indranil and this is my new channel Fian, which is all about nature. If you love nature and wildlife, love watching birds, then please subscribe my channel so you can get further update about my new post. To visit my website, you can click on the link given below in description. Thank you.
Bird-friendly landscaping should always include plants that provide natural food for the birds. Choosing fruit-bearing trees for birds is an excellent way to augment bird feeders with abundant natural food supplies that will attract an even wider range of birds. Magnolia champaka is one of them. Known in English as champak, it is a large evergreen tree from the family Magnoliaceae. We have already explained about the tree in our previous videos, which you can check from the above links. In this video, we will see the bird Rufous Treepie, who also love the fruit of champa. Rufous Treepie, scientific name Dendrocita vagabunda, Bangla naam Hari Chacha. A long and stiff-tailed bird with primarily rusty brown upperparts and dull orangish underparts. The head, mantle and neck region are dull sooty black. The long graduated tail is pale grey with a wide black terminal band. Note the conspicuous silver grey, white and black patterns on the wings. The blackish grey bill is stout with a hooked tip. The genders are alike. The main color of the body is cinnamon with a black head and the long graduated tail is bluish grey with a black tip. The wing has a white patch. Food habits. It is omnivorous but primarily carnivorous. It eats large variety of insects and their larvae such as crickets, grasshoppers, beetles, moths, wasps, ants, termites, spiders, centipedes and snails. A variety of small vertebrates including contents of bird nests, small birds, small rodents, small bats, small snakes, frogs and lizards are also in its food list. It eats wild figs including banyan, peepal and various other fruits like the fruits of champaka, which we can see here. Rufous Treepie can break the fruit by pressure for sure, like the barbet. You can check the video of the barbets by clicking on the link given above. But sometimes Rufous can even break the entire cluster of the fruits. So, the moment the fruit splits open to reveal the seeds, they just swallow it.
Please subscribe my channel so you can get further update about my new post.